Hey there, friends. Today we're diving into the world of decluttering, and I've got a fantastic checklist for you to simplify your life. So let's get started. 1. Set decluttering goals. Ask yourself, do I love it? Do I need it? Does it spark joy? 2. Gather your supplies. Create 4 piles. Keep and organize. We donate, trash, and sell. 3. Declutter room by room, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, home office. Sort through items by items as detailed as possible. 4. Organize your keep pile. Use bins, baskets, or shelves to keep your space tidy. Use storage bins, baskets, and organizers to keep things tidy. Label everything to make sure things are easy to find. Maintain the organization by putting items back in their place daily. 5. Make it a habit. Set a weekly reminder to declutter for 10 minutes. Set a weekly or monthly schedule to review and remove unwanted items. Implement the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into the house, get rid of something you no longer need. Focus on one area at a time. Regularly declutter small spaces, like drawers and closets, to prevent clutter from piling up again. Decluttering may seem overwhelming at first, but it becomes much easier to tackle once you break it down into manageable tasks. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Enlist a friend or family member to assist you. Treat yourself to a reward for your hard work. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate decluttering checklist to simplify your life. Remember, decluttering is a journey, not a destination. So let's embrace the process and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free life. Thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy decluttering!